Okay, so hi everyone. My name is Afner, and today we're going to be learning about how to make the calculator. So guys, we already did the program from line 18 all the way down to line 66. Okay, it's easy because we just created the calculator. We weren't onto the functionality stuffs yet. So now we're on the functionality stuffs. Okay? So we also set up the window, so I don't need to talk about this basic thing we already know in GUI. It's just this one we have to talk about from line 2 to line 13. So it's going to be short. Here I can actually press the buttons. Let me show you an example like AC, exponent, percentage, division, multiply, times, plus, equals, decimal, 0, and an empty button I made, and all the numbers we have here, and equals to it. So here's what we do. Total equals to an empty string because the first button we're pressing is AC. So that's why you're doing total equals to empty string right now. Then we define a function change because we did that earlier, right? To make the buttons clickable. But we just did passive because we didn't have to change anything. But now look what we did. Define change x because it holds one argument. And we have also a button AC and all of that. We also use lambda too. And we used that before in the last video about the calculator. Then what we do is global total. So global and local variables, I think we did that. So in global variables, let's talk about local first. Local variables is like a person, that guy, let's just say his name is Sam. So Sam, let's say Sam, okay? Let's just say Sam right now. So Sam, he can access anywhere in his country. Basically, he can go anywhere around his country, but he can't access anywhere around the world. So that's what local is. But global is that Sam can access, instead of one world, he can access to many other worlds. Okay? Many other worlds. So that's what a global variable is. So here we're doing global total so we can access more than one button. So first, because we have an x here, to that we learned that concept, I meant to say, functions with arguments. This is what we're exactly doing. If x equals to AC, okay, which is the button here, AC, we're using it as a string type because it is. Total equals to empty string. Because when we press AC, like A and then AC, the number is gone. So that's what we're doing. Label1.config text equals to total. We had a label 1 here, which is this green thing over here, which is basically writing our answer. It's evaluating the answer. So then we do text equals to total, so it will be empty and erase the numbers and just be empty. If x equals 2 equals 2. It's a string type. We're using double quotes. So for here, equal is to eval the question. Okay, question. So total equals to str because it's a string type. Eval our total, whatever we have. And then label1.config text equals to total. We always do this in our condition. So after we do the code, we always use label1.config parenthesis text equals to total. We always use it in the condition. Then here, else. If none of that works, so else. Total equals to total plus str x. So str means it's making x a string type. No, X is a string type basically. Then label one, okay, label one that config text equals the total again, which is this total over here. And this total over here is this total over here on the ninth line. This total over here on the seventh line is a total here on the sixth line. So you will get it as soon as you understand this code. Okay, guys, and you're wondering why this is orange because I changed it. We changed the foreground into orange, and it looks pretty nice too. If you can tell me, because it looks pretty nice. So let's run it. Oh, my bad. We could have just already done that. Let's show you the code. Good. So let's say 6 times 6. We're using star, okay? Because it works. 36. 6 square, 6 by, oh, I meant to do that. 6 square, which is 6 by the power of 2, 36. So if I do 89 times 56 minus 3, see? And if I press AC, the number's gone. It's back to empty. It's like, a normal calculator like how you use on your phone. It's the same thing as what you can see here, but it doesn't have all the operations, like pi and all of that, because we're just using the basics one. We don't want to go on to those advanced levels yet. Okay? So this is just a normal calculator. It's really fun to use, okay? And it's really great. If you want to use this calculator, you can save this in a file, then replit. Then just use this calculator to find the answer if you have one question. It's easy. It's like close to a phone calculator, like 8 times 9 equals 72. Or 6 times 5 times 4. Oh, 6 times 5 times 4 equals to 120. Or 3 plus 2.5. Oh, I didn't mean to say that. Let's say 78 power 4 is such a big number. Okay? So it's like a phone calculator. That's what it's like basically, but we're using GUI. Graphic User Interface. And interface means window if you don't know that, okay? If you don't understand the GUI, you can just look back to my first video, but like and subscribe if this video was fun, okay? And don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll say it again. And also don't forget to watch my videos over here and my videos over here. And also view my channel right here. Okay, bye.